Hello, I'm Rushe of Lean Ireland. This is the second in a series of videos we're doing for you on data representation and data analysis. Today I'm going to talk to you about histograms. Previously we looked at run charts, which are simple line graphs that tell you the history of your process over time. Histograms are also developed from variable data, but they give you a different perspective on your process data. In a histogram, you're looking at a snapshot of all of the data in one place. A histogram is a type of bar graph. Essentially, if you take your run chart and tip it on its side and let all of the data points fall down towards the x-axis, you will see your histogram. You do not need any fancy software to construct a histogram. Excel has advanced sufficiently to be able to do it for you very, very easily. Simply record your variable or continuous data in vertical columns, highlight it and go Insert Graph, and there you will see you have the option of inserting a histogram. Click on that option and hey presto, your histogram has been created. It doesn't matter when each observation actually happened. Usually we wouldn't construct a histogram with fewer than 50 data points. The type of information it tells you about your process is where your process is centered. In other words, around what mean value is your data actually located. The other thing you're interested in viewing in your histogram is the spread of the data. How much variation is there actually in your observations of the process? Ideally, we would like to have a normal distribution, which forms a symmetric bell-shaped curve. 50% of the data will be below your mean and 50% of the data above the mean. And we like to see a nice, tight distribution with low variation. However, if you're looking at your process for the first time and about to do a process improvement, you may find that your data is skewed in one direction or the other. Very often processes that have not been tightly managed are skewed to the right or exhibit positive skew. And the way in which you remember the direction of skew is to imagine a kangaroo sitting in your histogram. I know it sounds funny, it's the Sesame Street approach to data analysis, but it does help you to remember and not to make mistakes when you're describing the skew of your distribution. Data can also be skewed in a negative direction to the left. Your process won't always exhibit a normal distribution. For example, tensile testing of a piece of wire. That will not exhibit a normal distribution. Also, some distributions where you're timing something may not exhibit a normal distribution because, for example, if the time is close to the zero time, you will never have a time of minus 0.1 of a second or minus 5 minutes or whatever. So that may not be a normal distribution. However, when working on most normal day-to-day processes in manufacturing or in the development of a service, what we are striving to achieve is a normal distribution. I hope you have enjoyed this basic introduction to histograms. If you would like to know more about using histograms to help you manage your processes effectively, please be sure to contact us. Thank you for watching.